So you can see that question number 1 MCQ. M delete n. We will find the common elements of M and N. So 2 is common, 2 is common, 4 is common, 4 is common. So we will delete this common element from the first set. That means M. So 3 will remain, 3 will be the answer. Question number 2, finite set. We need to find out the finite set. Z is the set of integers x less than 2. That means the integers less than 2. So the number is not finite because there are infinite number of integers, negative integers. Okay. P by Q, infinite number of fractions. And y square is less than 100 and y cube is greater than 100. So y square is less than 100. That means 1, 2, 3, up to 9. It will be less than 100 because the square of 1 is 1 and the square of 9 is 81. So 1 to 9 we can take according to the first condition, that is y square is less than 100. Then we need to find out which among these numbers whose cubes are greater than 100. So cube of 4 is 64. It will not be there. Cube of 5 is 125. Cube of 5, cube of 6, cube of 7, cube of 9. So these three will be the cube of 9, the 729. So 5 to 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 5 elements will be there. So this is the finite set. Question number 3, 1 minus 1 by sine theta. Cosec square minus cot square is equal to what? Cosec square minus cot square is equal to 1. So 1 by sine is, this will be 1. So 1 by sine means cosec theta. So it will be the answer. 10 theta minus 45 is equal to root 3. So we need to find root 3 is the value of tan 60 degree. So we will replace by tan 60 degree. That means theta minus 45 is equal to 60 degree. So theta minus 45 is equal to 60 degree. So theta is equal to 60 plus 45. That is 105 degree. Tan A is equal to 4 by 3. And what is the value of 1 minus sine square A by sine square A? 1 minus sine square means cos square, root over cos square, and sine square is sine square, sine square A. That is, we need to find out the, so cos square minus sine square A is equal to cot square A, that is cot A. Cot A is the reciprocal of tan A, so if it is 4 by 3, then this will be 3 by 4. Okay. Part B, question number 1. You need to find out the value of y. This figure is given. So from this, we need to find out the value of y. So from the figure, you can see that this is hypotenuse, and this is adjacent for x minus y, and this is opposite for x plus y. So what can we do? We can find out the AB, or we can use these two ratios also. So if we consider this x plus y, and this is the opposite for x plus y, this is the hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse, sine x plus y, opposite by hypotenuse. That means sine x plus y is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 means what? Root 3 by 2 means sine 30 degree. Sorry, sine 60 degree. So x plus y is equal to 60 degree. This is equation number 1. And again, if you consider the angle x minus y, So x minus y means that is the adjacent for root 3 is the adjacent for x minus y. So cos x minus y adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent by hypotenuse cos 30 degrees equal to root 3 by 2. 30 degrees equal to root 3 by 2. That is x minus y is equal to 30 degree. Okay. So from these two equations, we need to find out the value of y. So we need to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. X plus y is equal to 60 degree and x minus y is equal to 30 degree. If you subtract, the sign will be changed, minus x, and this will be all subtracted. Plus y, that is 2y is equal to 60 minus 30, that is 30 degree. Therefore, y is equal to 30 divided by 2, that's 15 degree. This is the solution of number A. Okay. Now, question number B. This is very, very simple. This is from your textbook. Cos x plus sin x is equal to root 2 cos x. This is given. Given cos x plus sin x equal to root 2 cos x. So at first we will shift cos x, one of the cos x to the right side. Sin x is equal to root 2 cos x minus cos x. Then we will take common cos x. So root 2 from the first term, from the second term it will be minus 1. Then we need to bring root 2 with sin 1. That's sin x. That's why we will multiply by root 2 plus 1 on both the sides. So multiplying by root 2 plus 1 on both the sides. So left side, it will be root 2 sin x plus sin x. And on the right side, root 2 square minus 1 square. A minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square formula. Okay. So we can write root 2 sin x plus sin x is equal to root 2 square means 2 minus 1 cos x. So root 2 sin x, this plus sin x will be shifted to the right side, and 2 minus 1, that is 1 cos x, and plus sin x will be shifted and it will be minus sin x. So it is proved. Number B. Number C. Number C is solution. Solve this equation and find the angle. And it is given the theta is an acute angle. So given equation 2 sin square theta minus root 3 plus 2 sin theta plus root 3 is equal to 0. So in the first line, minus root 3 will be multiplied with sin theta. So minus root 3 sin theta plus 2. Before the bracket, there is a minus sign. So minus 2 into sin theta minus 2 sin theta plus root 3 is equal to 0. So from the first two terms, we can take common sin theta. So 2 sin theta minus root 3. From the last two terms, we can take common minus 1. So 2 sin theta minus root 3. So 2 sin theta minus root 3 is common in both the terms. We'll take common 2 sin theta minus root 3, and it will be sin theta is left from the first term and from the second minus 1. So product of these two is 0. So 2 sin theta minus root 3 is equal to 0, or sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2 sine theta is equal to root 3, or sine theta is equal to 1. And now sine theta is equal to root 3 by 2. We know that sine 90 degree, the value of sine 90 degree is 1. So, and then sine theta is equal to root 3 by 2. That means sine 60 degree. Therefore, theta is equal to 60 degree. And here theta is equal to 90 degree, but we cannot take but theta is acute angle, so we cannot take 90 degree. So only answer is theta is equal to 60 degree. This is the only answer. Okay. Question number D. এখানে দেখো sin 90 degree minus theta is equal to 5 by 13. Determine the value of sin theta. So এই ধরনের কোশ্চেন আসলে ফর্মুলা দিয়েও যেমন এটা করা যায়, আবার এটা যেহেতু শুধুমাত্র 90 degree minus theta, if we draw a figure, then it will be very easy. You can see this is a triangle, right angle triangle. So if this is the angle theta, then this angle should draw the figure একটু বড় করে আর কি। If you denote this angle as theta, then this angle, this is a 90 degree angle, right angle triangle. So this angle will be 90 degree minus theta. So it is given sine 90 degree minus theta. That is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is 5. So 5 is 90 degree minus theta, opposite hello 5, and hypotenuse is 13. So we need to find out the value of sine theta. So this is 13, this is 5. So if we denote this A, B, C, then BC is equal to root over 13 square minus 5 square. And that is 169 minus 25 is 144. That is 12. So BC will be 12. So sine theta is equal to theta. This is the angle theta. Opposite is 12. And the hypotenuse is 13. So 12 by 13 will be the answer. This will be the answer. So if you draw this figure, then show this 90 degree minus theta and theta. And then you can find out the other side, that is BC. And then you can write what is the value of sine theta. Okay. So this is very simple if you draw the figure. Then question number E. Prove geometrically these formulas. To prove this geometrically, when you draw a figure draw করবো আমরা প্রথমে, right angle triangle, A, B, C, and we denote this angle as theta. Sec square minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta, if we write it as a left hand side, sec square theta minus tan square theta. So sec theta means hypotenuse by adjacent, that is AC by adjacent is BC, and tan theta means opposite by adjacent, that is AB. This is the opposite. So AB, and the adjacent is BC. So we can write s square minus ab square divided by b square. Now s square minus ab square in triangle ABC, s square is equal to ab square plus b square. So s square minus ab square is equal to b square. So if we replace this s square minus ab square by b square, it will be b square by b square, which is b 1 is equal to right hand side. It's very, very simple, okay? CQ. First, question number A, show that set M and N are disjoint, not disjoint sets. Disjoint means the intersection will be empty set. So we will check the intersection, okay? So solution of A number, we'll check the intersection. Intersection A, M, intersection N is equal to, at first we need to find out the M. M means the prime number. And those are less than or equal to 6. So 2, 3, and 5, and n 2, 4, 6. This is directly given in the question. So common, 2 is common, 3, 5, 4, 6 not common. So one element is common. Since M, sorry, M intersection N is not equal to empty set, M and N are not disjoint sets. Okay. Question number B. Given that M union N, M we have got M that 2, 3, 5, M union N left hand side, M union N 2, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is left hand side. Right hand side, there are 3 operations, M delete N, 2, 3, 5. 2, 4, 6. So 3, 5. N delete M. 2, 4, 6. Delete 2, 3, 5. So 4, 6. Only the common element of the first set will be removed, and the other elements of the first set will remain in the deleted set. Okay. And M intersection N we have got already from A. Therefore, right hand side, M delete N union and delete M union M intersection N. So first set is 3, 5. Then it is 4, 6. Then it is 2. So we got all the elements 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the left hand side and the right hand side are equal. And the last one, that is number C. Number C, you can see two functions. F of 1 by x equal to f of 1 minus x. F of x is given, so at first we'll go for left hand side f of 1 minus x. F of x is given, it is x cubed minus 3x squared plus 1 x into 1 minus x. F1 by x, 1 by x whole cube minus 3 into 1 by x squared plus 1. Okay, this. So we have replaced all x by 1 by x. Next, 1 by x, that means 1 by x cube, 3 by x square plus 1. And this is 1 by x. So in the bracket, the LCM x minus 1. LCM of x and 1 is x. So 1, the denominator is 1, x divided by 1, that is x. X into 1, that is x. And x divided by x, that is 1. 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. So in the numerator, we'll take the LCM of the denominators of the fractions in the numerator. X cube, x square, LCM of x cube, x square, and 1, that is x cube. X cube divided by x cube, that is 1. 1 into 1, that is 1. Then again, x cube, x square, x cube divided by x square, that is x. X into minus 3, that is minus 3x. 1 divided x cube divided by 1, that's 1 into x cube, that is x cube. Now, in the denominator, we have got that x minus 1 divided by x squared. Now we will advance the calculation. So we can take the reciprocal of the first fraction. The fraction of the numerator will be unchanged, 1 minus thrice x plus x cubed divided by x cube, and the denominator, fraction of the denominator will be the reciprocal. We'll take the reciprocal. So x square will be the numerator and x1. So if you reduce x square and x cube, then x will remain. So 1 minus 3x plus x cube, and here x square, x cube divided by x square, that is x into x minus 1. This is f of 1 by x. Now we will find another part, f of 1 minus x, f of 1 minus x. 1 minus x. So all x's will be replaced by 1 minus x whole cube minus 3 into 1 minus x whole square plus 1. First x will be 1 minus x and 1 minus x. So 1 minus minus, that is plus 1, then 1 minus x. So there is a minus, so minus 1 plus x. And plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. 1 minus a cube minus 3a square b. 3 into 1 square into x plus 3ab square. 3 into 1 into x square minus b cube, that is x cube. Then minus 3 into a minus b whole square, a square, 1 square minus 2 into 1 into x, then x square plus 1 divided by this, there's x and 1 minus x. So in the numerator, 1 minus thrice x plus thrice x squared minus x cubed minus 3 into 1, minus 3 into minus 2x, that is plus 6x, minus 3 into plus x squared minus 3x squared plus 1. Minus 3x squared and plus 3x squared will be cancelled. So x into 1x. And we can see that there is 1 minus 3 and plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, and there's minus 3. So minus 1, then thrice x plus 6x. So plus 3x, then minus x cubed. And in the denominator, it is x, 1 minus x. So we will take common minus 1 common, then it will be minus 1 common, then plus minus thrice x plus x cubed. In the denominator also, x minus 1. So minus will be reduced. So 1 minus thrice x plus x cubed and x into x minus 1. Therefore, we can see that f of 1 by x is equal to f of 1 by x equal to f of 1 minus x. So that's all the solution of this.